Armenia, a land where history and modernity intertwine, offering travelers a unique blend of cultural heritage and natural beauty. Join us as we explore Armenia's journey through the 20th century to the present day and discover the treasures that await today's visitors. The 20th century was a transformative period for Armenia, marked by resilience and renewal. In the early 1900s, Armenians faced immense challenges, including the tragic events of the Armenian genocide during World War I, where a significant portion of the population perished or was displaced. Following these events, Armenia briefly established its independence in 1918, forming the First Republic of Armenia. However, by 1920, it became part of the Soviet Union, ushering in decades of Soviet governance. The dissolution of the USSR in 1991 paved the way for Armenia to regain its independence, leading to the establishment of the modern Republic of Armenia. Since then, the nation has been on a path of political and economic development, striving to strengthen its democratic institutions and cultural identity. Armenia's rich history and stunning landscapes make it a captivating destination for travelers. Here are some must-visit sites. Yerevan, the vibrant capital city known for its pink-tuff buildings, lively arts scene and warm hospitality. Geghard Monastery, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This medieval monastery is renowned for its rock-cut architecture and sacred springs. Lake Sevan, one of the largest freshwater high-altitude lakes in the world, perfect for relaxation and water activities. Dilian National Park, often referred to as the Armenian Switzerland, offering serene landscapes and rich biodiversity. Tatev Monastery, a 9th century monastery complex with breathtaking views accessible by the world's longest reversible cable car. Ghani Temple, the only standing Greco-Roman colonnaded building in the region, showcasing ancient architectural prowess. Khor Virap Monastery, famous for its stunning views of Mount Ararat and its historical significance in Armenian Christianity. Noravank Monastery, known for its dramatic setting amidst red cliffs and its intricate medieval architecture. Ekmiadzin Cathedral, considered the oldest cathedral in the world, serving as the spiritual heart of Armenian Christianity. Jermuk, a spa town renowned for its healing mineral waters, picturesque waterfalls and wellness resorts. Armenia experiences 4 distinct seasons, each offering unique experiences for travelers. The best time to visit depends on your interests. Spring, from April to June, is when you can witness the country in bloom with mild temperatures, ideal for sightseeing and cultural festivals. Summer, from July to August, brings warm to hot temperatures, perfect for exploring mountainous regions and attending outdoor events. Autumn, from September to November, offers pleasant weather with vibrant fall colors, making it a great time for hiking and wine tasting. Winter, from December to March, is cold and snowy, offering opportunities for winter sports in regions like Zagkadzor. The official currency of Armenia is the Armenian dram. Understanding the local currency and travel essentials will enhance your visit. As of January 2025, 1 USD is approximately equal to 400 AMD. Exchange rates can fluctuate, so it's advisable to check the current rates before your trip. While credit and debit cards are widely accepted in Yerevan and major cities, carrying cash is essential when traveling to rural areas where card facilities may be limited. ATMs are available in urban centers, however, it's prudent to withdraw sufficient cash before venturing into remote regions. Armenian is the official language. In Yerevan, many people speak English and Russian, but in rural areas, language proficiency may be limited. Like and subscribe for more adventures.